Hi, I'm Mike Sarant. I'm the master formulator and manufacturer of MicroLife all organic fertilizers. We've been producing top quality fertilizers all organically now for 38 years. We absolutely love for people to eat nutritiously, and the best way to do that is eat organically. And if you really want to know if your food's organic, you grow it yourself like we're doing here. So you start with really good soil, because that soil is going to be an investment that will last for years. So buy good soil, right? And then you're going to buy good transplants or good seed, and you're going to work MicroLife Ultimate into the bed, okay? All throughout the bed, not just where you're starting the plant, but all around the bed, so as the plant grows, it can reach for the food, and as it gets bigger, it's going to need more food, and you're setting yourself up for that type of preparation. So at the same time you're adding MicroLife Ultimate, you're also adding MicroLife Humates Plus. This is concentrated compost, and this is carbon. And what carbon's going to do is going to feed the soil ecology. And what we want is a really big abundance of positive soil microbes assisting the plant. That is natural law. So these two products will feed the microbes in the soil. They also have 72 different types of strains and species of different microorganisms. It will be microorganism rich, okay? So you've got all that. You set your plants in. You're going to cover them back with the soil, and then you're going to get a liquid like MicroLife Ocean Harvest, and you're going to water the plant in, and then once the plant's watered in, you're going to cover it with a really good quality mulch. Voila, you are now set for your plants to take off and grow. So in organics, it's all about nutrition. We want the plant to be as healthy as it possibly can, because we're going to eat the plant and we want to be as strong as we can. So as the plant grows, take a foliar MicroLife liquid and spray it maybe once every 2 weeks. It becomes a Zen moment. You and the plant become one. And it's so exciting to see the way you feed your plants, see them grow, and then when you pick that tomato, you pick that eggplant, you get this incredible flavor, and it's just bursting with minerals and nutrition. You're actually healing yourself. Now, something that I'd like to mention specifically is BioMatrix. Now, BioMatrix is an excellent foliar spray. What we're starting to discover, it's not listed as an insecticide, but apparently it raises the level of health so quickly that if you have insect problems such as mealybugs or whiteflies, you can spray your plants down with this. May take 2 weeks, 1 week apart, but all of a sudden, amazingly, the insects go away. Why? Because the plant has transformed itself into something very healthy, and healthy plants are not attractive to pest. Insects are not attracted to healthy plants, and there's an adage in organics that say never eat plants that are fit for insects. So we want this to be as healthy as we possibly can. Grant good soils, good granulars, good liquids, bam, you've got great crops.